Mastering should in passive voice. Hello, English learners. Today we're going to dive deep into the world of English grammar and focus on an important topic: the passive voice with modal verbs, specifically, should. Remember, mastering the passive voice with modal verbs can significantly improve your English fluency and versatility. Let's get started. Before we delve into the passive voice, let's recap what should is. Should is a modal verb that we use to indicate obligation, recommendation, or expectation. Here's a quick example in active voice. You should study for the exam. But how does should work in passive voice? Let's find out. In passive voice, should takes a slightly different role. It is usually combined with be and a past participle to express an action. The structure becomes should be plus past participle. For instance, if we take the previous sentence and turn it into passive, it becomes the exam should be studied for. Let's see some more examples to make this concept clearer. Active: you should clean your room. Passive: your room should be cleaned. Active: they should invite us to their party. Passive: we should be invited to their party. Active: she should return the book to the library. Passive: the book should be returned to the library. Can you see the pattern? The main idea remains, but the focus shifts from the doer of the action to the receiver of the action. Now that you've learned the concept, it's time to practice. Try turning the following active sentences into passive ones using should. 1. You should take the dog for a walk. 2. We should finish this project on time. 3. I should send the letter. Don't worry if you're finding it difficult. It's okay to make mistakes. That's how we learn. And that's a wrap for our session on should in passive voice. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you practice, the easier it gets. Keep practicing and soon you'll be using should in passive voice like a pro. Until next time, happy learning.